quite interesting coming down here today to see the kind of products that are being developed by Express Bifold, because when we used to go away and design an elevation, you do a beautiful elevation, you send it off to a window manufacturer, and then it comes back and they've got transoms and mullions and it's smaller and side windows because you just can't make them big enough and they've trashed your design. So seeing something like this where you can get a big enough unit that hasn't wrecked something you spent hours getting right is fantastic to see. The fact you've got thin sight lines, large format windows is fantastic to see, and I didn't know it was something that you guys are manufacturing. That's great to see. And the other thing that's fantastic to see is sliding folding doors. You know, you draw it, in principle it was about connecting with the view. In reality there was so much mullion and framing, it was about staring at the window, not the view. Clearly that's massively changed. I mean, the size of those units is fantastic, and again, you actually start to create that connection to the outside.